Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change store country on Shopify. Now let's say you created your store and now you want to change the country or the region you chose. How do you do it? It's quite simple. First of all, log into www.shopify.com with your credentials until you get to the home page, and then from here you click on General. Then from General on the right here you click on Billing Address. The pen or the pencil that's next to it for editing. You can see country and region, then you can change the country and region to the one you want. It's as simple as that. So once you're through, then you click on the address, apartment, city, select the state. Let's see the state, and then you click on save. You have to also give the address. Let's say the address is but not the right spelling, of course. Then you must give the city, then that, and then you click on save. It's as simple as that. As simple as that. If you found the video helpful, if you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.